Hi everybody. So from today I'm starting off with my new series of making tasty foods for people who are going for work every day, who don't get much time. So how you can prepare good food in a quick jiff, that is what I'm going to tell you. So the theme of my series would be Khud Banao Tasty Khao. So follow me. So first, the most important ingredient would be the black-eyed pea, or you call it pea in your home. So this should be fresh, of course taken from the market, from the mart, and then you need to soak it overnight at least for 6 to 8 hours so that it swells up. And now this is what I've got, fully soaked pea now swelled up, and this is what we are going to prepare for our food today. This is the soaked up beans that was kept overnight, and now we are ready to cook. So let's follow. So I have taken a cooker, a clean cooker, find oil about 2 tablespoons. Keep in mind that a good food requires a good cooking of your mixes, the spices, and not too much of overloads of spices and everything that will ultimately spoil the taste of your food, the taste of your recipe. So this is something that is very important. So let's continue. Now put the flames on. Ingredient to go with is jeera, our favorite. So this is about half a tablespoon. You put it here and I'll wait till it starts turning golden, and then I'll put some freshly chopped onion. I'll just put the flame down a bit so that it cooks better. Then I'll have the ginger garlic paste. So I prefer using the wooden utensils a bit, so I'll carry on. It is now turning golden. I'll ensure that it cooks well, because this is the start, the beginning of the recipe, and I cannot make any mistakes. So the aroma is good right now. Oil is sparkling out. Now at this time I'll give you a tip, some haldi. And you will see that the sparkling oil drops actually stops. I'll put in some hing, about a pinch of hing. That will give it a very good taste. Masala is the most important ingredient that is also required to be cooked, and it cannot be left raw, uncooked. So I've just put in a pinch, or rather a tablespoon of chole masale, Everest chole masale. So I put in that, and I'll let it cook for some, that it is freshly grinded. Put the flame to the lowest, otherwise you will see things burning. So I should not let it burn a lot. And at this point, very quickly, I'll put in chopped tomatoes. So I stir it well. I'll ensure that it just mixes up. Now, let it cook for around 5 minutes till you find the tomatoes melting in it, getting cooked. But I have to ensure that I stir this continuously, otherwise the mustard seeds, they start sticking to the bottom, to the base of the cooker. I'll put in the black-eyed pea, the beans, beans here, slowly and steadily. When you put in the raw vegetables, beans, chanas, after you have finally cooked the masalas, then the masalas they blend, they mix with the chopped vegetables, with the chanas, with the beans, and it gives a pleasant aroma. It increases the taste. It gives the right taste to your recipe. Stirring is on and you should never stop it. I want to further make it a bit tasty. So this is the ingredient next. About half a cup of curd. This is a fresh curd that I would like to put in. This will make my recipe a bit creamy, a bit more tasty, and as you can see, it's actually looking very good. You have noticed one thing, that I did not put the salt in. So I generally put the salt once I put all my ingredients in. Why? Because I now can understand and estimate how much salt I should put in that people define as salt to taste. So now everything is in, everything has gone in, and now's the time I'll put in the salt. Two pinches of salt, take 2.5 pinches. Also sprinkle some 1 tablespoon of sugar. That will actually help us avoid the acidity, because the masala that has gone in, that is, of course, sometimes it is a bit rich for some people to digest. It's difficult for some people to digest. Already there is a liquid base that has been created. That is because of the curd that I have put in. So that also will help us avoid the burning of my ingredients. But I'll keep on stirring. The flame has been put to medium to low. I'll cook it for 5 more minutes and then we'll come back. This has taken a very good shape. While I was away, I was keeping on the stirs to see and check that my recipe is not getting burned. I'll put in water. Now this water is a bit milky because this has been mixed with a little bit of curd. Okay, now here are the 2 steps. If you want to have a thick gravy, you can just close this with half a cup of water. That's what I have put right now. But I want a little bit of soupy recipe, so I'll put in another 2 cups of water. So here we are. We'll just take the cooker, we'll shake it a bit gently so that the ingredient mixes well. Put on the lid to cook for around 10 minutes and then we'll go. In this recipe, I have just ensured that it is simple, so easily cooked. It is quickly cooked by the people who are in a hurry to attend their offices, to start their work daily. Now my cooker is blowing the whistles, telling me that the recipe is ready. It has been 10 minutes. My dish is now ready to be served. Make people happy with your recipes. Keep watching and thank you.